We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting, related, and often mispronounced medical terms as well. So make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. How do you say it? Rosacea. This is a common skin condition that causes redness and visible blood vessels in the face. Rosacea. Both British and American pronunciations are rather similar for this word. Pretty straightforward once you know. Roe-ZAY-SHUH. Rosacea. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words and names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.